everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna tour a very beautiful single-story home in the newest community of Lennar, and it's called The Arches. This is one of the model homes, and this model home is also very modern. You have a very beautiful view of the fabulous Las Vegas Strip once you buy one of their homes here. And what I like about Lennar is that they have this trademark of everything's included, which we will discuss in the entire video. So watch the entire video, guys, so that you will know what are included on this model home. And also, I wanted to invite you to subscribe to this channel. If you've missed some of my videos of the other model homes, go back to the channel page. There is a playlist there where you can check out all of the homes I toured under Lennar. And also, please don't forget to like this video, and you are very welcome to share this video to your family and friends so that they will know there is such a thing like this in the beautiful Summerlin, Las Vegas. This community of the Arches is gated, so therefore there is double security. Now, I also wanted to invite you guys to comment down below after watching this video so that I'll be able to see your feedback. Let's do this, guys. Let's tour this home together. Welcome to this beautiful modern home, and this home has this garage. Currently it is staged as their office, but that is the area for the garage. We are inside the two-car garage, and as you can see, guys, this is finished with nice flooring here. As I mentioned a while ago, this home comes with its own solar panel, so this is your storage area for your solar energy. And also this one comes with its own charger for your electric vehicle, one in this area, and then also there's another electric car charger on this side of the garage. Now this garage is the two-car garage. There's another separate garage there, so this is a total of three-car garage. we're gonna check out this beautiful home. As you can see guys, this home is finished with this nice stonework. You can select your own front stonework if you want. You can make this more of your own liking based upon the color scheme that you wanted to have in front of your house. Let us enter this beautiful home. One of the special features of this home is that you have an entrance gate even before entering the house, so that is very special. You have double security. After entering the gate of this house, you are greeted by this massive courtyard. This is so spacious. You can put your own seating arrangement here, and it's always nice to have this kind of space, guys. You can actually hang out here after a day's work. Welcome to your beautiful open space modern design home. Let's dig into this home. First of all, upon entering the house, you are greeted by this open space. In the middle is your dining area, and you have this very wide doors, which is already included in the base price. So you don't have to upgrade your doors when you're buying a home here in Lennar. And what is very important about this wide opening here is that it doesn't only bring so much natural light inside, but you can actually open this up when you're entertaining. This is perfect. You can easily access your backyard from this area. On this side is your beautiful kitchen, finished with this waterfall edge, and everything that you see here on this kitchen are included. The appliances are included. You have your vent hood here, your very elegant stove, and then you also have that massive refrigerator. So everything here is included except for the upgrade on the backsplash and also the thickness of the countertop. This space here, your kitchen island, is so massive. This is perfect for entertaining. You will have this massive pantry area. Look at this, guys. You can actually have a lot of food here. You can customize this with your own cabinets, and also you can put LED lighting if you want. This almost looks like a bedroom to me because you can walk here easily. Right? You can also have this a hiding place. This is a very large one. I wanted to give a very detailed analysis of this, guys. Look at your stove here. It's digital. So everything here is very high tech. And look at this pat filler. It's very important. If you love cooking, you'll enjoy this kitchen. What is beautiful about this kitchen is that your cabinetry and kitchen countertops are actually all the way up to this mini breakfast area, so you can put a lot of your food there and serve it in your very spacious mini breakfast area. Actually, can't call it mini anymore because this is massive. It's almost like a second dining space area. And this area is also facing a very beautiful backyard. This backyard is huge that you can actually put your own swimming pool here. Also, this is facing the fabulous Las Vegas Strip. These doors here that you can see are also included in the base price. Facing your dining area in the middle is your very spacious living room area. This one is finished with an area for your television. Again, as I mentioned a while ago, these doors here are already included in the base price, so you don't have to upgrade it. A very special inclusion to the base price is actually your very own solar panels. Yes, they have solar panel on this house already. It is a way to be efficient, and it's a nice way to contribute to protecting the environment if you have a solar panel. And also the garage also has their own electric car chargers and solar panel storage energy facilities. So you don't have to deal with all of those. You just have to move in and you're ready to go and live the life of a Las Vegas local. Conveniently located upon entering the house is on the left side, your half bathroom. This one is very good to have because you don't have to go to your main bathroom area. You can access this, or your guest can access this easily. Right off your living room area are the bedroom areas. We're gonna visit first your primary bedroom. Welcome to this beautiful primary bedroom. This one has its own bed. You can fit a king-size bed here. It is finished with wall design here. You can actually customize it according to your liking. What I like about this primary bedroom is that it also has its own access to your own private. What I like about this bedroom is that it has a door that you can access your backyard from your primary bedroom. Perfect if you wanted to access your backyard right after waking up. Welcome to your beautiful and spacious primary bathroom. This primary bathroom is finished with double sink, very wide here. You can put a lot of your items here. Another special feature of this primary bathroom, you have a separate freestanding beautiful bathtub. There is a separate shower area. Really nice to have this kind of very spacious. You have a seating arrangement in your shower area. In addition, I always recommend guys in all of my videos to have a rain shower in your shower area, and they have it here, so that's very good. You will have an efficient way of doing your shower if you are taller than usual, so this is perfect. Immediately after your sink area is your water closet area to the left, and then you have a mini bar area here as well for other items that you can store. Now welcome to your very spacious closet area. This one is finished with really nice shelving, and you can actually put a lot of cabinetry here. You can put your shelving, your drawers, and if you want, you can put your LED lighting under cabinets so that it will make it more interesting. Now, all of the model homes of Lennar so far have included a separate area for your laundry machine and dryer here at your very own closet area, so that you will be very efficient in life. You can actually do your laundry, put them back in your shelving right away. Isn't it very efficient to have this kind of machine, especially when you're a very busy person? Really special. Now we're gonna check out the secondary bedrooms. This is a very long hallway, and we're gonna check out first one of the secondary bedrooms. First secondary bedroom, you have a very spacious area for your bed here. This secondary bedroom also has a spacious walk-in closet. So each of the bedrooms here has its own full ensuite bathroom, so they don't have to share with the other people that are staying in the other bedrooms. This is finished very elegantly with tiling and nice countertop. Welcome to the other secondary bedroom. This is a very spacious one. You can actually put a queen-size bed here. You have two windows here that bring so much natural light inside. You also have a very spacious walk-in closet. What a nice space to have, even for just a secondary bedroom. It also has its own ensuite bathroom. As I mentioned, each bedroom has its own bathroom. Really nice to have, very efficient for each of the people that are staying in the secondary bedroom. Along the hallway is your laundry area. You have a cabinetry here, and you can put your laundry machines here, and you also have a sink area. Now we're gonna enter one of the special features of this model home, and that is the Casita. Welcome to your Casita. This Casita has an alley-style kitchenette. Of course, you have your own refrigerator here. You have a sink, right? Very nice, elegantly done. And even the Casita has a very beautiful faucet. Of course, your Casita has its own microwave as well. Welcome to this spacious area. This is currently staged as an office, and you have very massive windows there. And a Casita will not be complete without its own private entrance. Let's check it out. So this is the courtyard of the house that we've entered a while ago. The door to the Casita is on the left side upon entering the courtyard. Another area of this Casita is the gym area, but this one you can convert this into your bedroom area. And the reason why I mentioned that you can convert this into a bedroom area is because it has its own closet area and also a full bathroom. Let's check those out. Welcome to this very spacious closet area. Aside from that, you also have your own laundry machine. So isn't it nice to have a separate laundry area for your Casita so that your guest or whoever stays on this Casita will no longer have to share the laundry machine with the main house? As I mentioned, this Casita also has its own full ensuite bathroom finished with this nice tiling, very spacious one, and finished with this nice countertop. Thank you so much, guys, for watching the entire tour. I hope you enjoyed it. I'd love to invite you guys to comment down below what do you think of this beautiful home. And also don't forget to subscribe down below, like this video, and share this video to the people you might know might be interested on this kind of home. My contact information is here. And also, please don't forget to check out the description down below for more information and my contact details. Again, guys, I appreciate your watching this entire tour, and I wish you an amazing day today.